Alright guys, today we're going to be painting my Glock 81 combat knife. As you can see right here, we got some of the finish wearing off, and we're going to paint it. That'll help fix that, and then we'll probably do a nice like camo pattern and paint the sheath to match, and it'll look great. We're going to be using the Hunter Specialty Camo spray paint kit. We got marsh grass, mud brown, flat black, and olive drab. I'm not sure what colors we're actually going to use. All right, let's do it. All right, a couple tips before we get into it. Make sure to shake your paint cans up really good and have something like this. We got some paper towel here to lay whatever you're painting on, and you should probably wear gloves. I'm not going to, but you probably should wear gloves. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is lightly cover everything in our flat black to bring the black back to it. We're going to paint this side, and then we're going to flip it over after we let it sit for a little bit and paint the other side. Okay, now we're going to add some mud brown. Probably went a little bit heavy on that right there. Okay, we're going to do horizontal, diagonal kind of. Okay, that's pretty good. And then we'll do some green right here. Do some green. And then we'll do some marsh grass, basically FDE. And what we'll do is we'll lay this right here, and we'll just go across. And we're going to change the angle. Oops. Oopsie. Probably should let that sit for a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna do some more of the green with the leaves. There we go. Right there. Okay, now we gotta let it dry, and we'll do the other side. Okay, we've let it sit for a bit, and now it's time to paint the other side. Now, I didn't really like putting the black. I realized this is my first time painting something, and I've realized that the black paint was probably a little extra, so we're just gonna go straight to some olive drab first as a base layer. And then we are going to do the mud brown with the leaves. And then we're going to do some more with the marsh grass. Okay. And if you feel like you have too much paint, what you can always do is grab yourself some more paper towel, and you can dab at it a little bit. And then take some of that paint off, and whatever you messed up, just kind of go over it again. Okay, now I need to roll it over just a little bit right here. And we'll get some of that mud brown. Some marsh grass. Okay. Now we have to let it dry, and then we'll take the knife out of the sheath and put a black coat on the blade, and it'll be finished. Okay, now we're going to paint the blade. We're going to put a little layer of marsh grass. Put our leaves and go with our flat black on everything. Okay, now we're going to do that for both sides, and then, yeah, so I'll show you the finished product. Alright guys, that's it. It's pretty easy to paint a knife. If I can do it, you can do it. And if you can paint a knife, you can paint a gun. Basically, it's the easiest thing ever. And if you mess up, just do it again. And thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you liked it. Drop me a comment. Tell me something I did wrong. Tell me something I should do. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. God bless.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.